build a boat for treasure. And to get this, I'll need to build a small sort of boat to get there. And this is how I build it, with some of these blocks, a nice hinge that I don't know how to rotate. How do you rotate the hinge? This was a... Wait, what am I doing? I can just do this. No. Okay. So you want to get a sort of hoverboard set up like this with the hinge facing up. Then you want to get your feet in the hinge, like right in the middle, like this. Then you want to put your glue block on top. Launch. Now here's the important bit. When you're going here, the secret room is in the waterfall towards the left. So if you're facing the area, you have to go left. And then as you can see, you have a hidden room. And now you have to click some books. I'm pretty sure it was like pink, blue. I'm really testing my memory. Let's go back here. It was light yellow. Oh no, which one was light yellow? Okay, it's that one. Then light green on the edge. And then on the top row, red and beige. And this will open this room, which has sword, a pencil that says 01001, some music notes, a guy in here with a sword on the back, in this sort of platform, a treasure chest, a trowel, and Nemo the fish. And I think to get the next secret, you're supposed to build this. So the hardest thing will probably be the trowel, because it's like 7,500 gold. Nemo, you get the treasure chest, music note, this pencil thingy, this thing that's available that's $550. And then on the bottom, I'm not sure how to make this. And then, but this is really hard because you've got to make the bottom and sort of have to be like a circle thingy, like a dome, and then the thing on top. Oh, and if you pick the wrong color books, then either exploding pumpkins will fall down, your thing will spaz out of control. There can also be green water that rises up. If that happens, just walk outside and then you'll be fine. And then wait for a little while. If it's the green water, just go outside, land down on there, and it will trick the system to thinking that you went outside, because that's what happens when the water brings you up. And then go back in, click all the books you need, and then you unlock this. So build this thing and you'll be fine. Okay, bye.